In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Chatgpt text undetectable. Now, there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this, and I'm going to show you all the best methods that I personally use in order to make Chatgpt text undetectable. So right over here, we have a sample essay. So let's go ahead and copy the first paragraph, for example. And basically what I like to do is I like to essentially paraphrase it. However, I like to include imperfection. So look at this paragraph over here. It is absolutely perfect. So what I like to do is I like to rewrite it using more simpler vocabulary. That is also another good thing as well. So for example, let's go ahead and do the first sentence. So we're just going to go ahead and write something like social media has had a significant impact on modern society, transforming how people communicate, learn, and identify the environment around them. So it is legit the exact same sentence. It has the exact same flow. However, we just paraphrased it using less advanced vocabulary because ChatGPT uses like crazy vocabulary sometimes. So you basically just want to go ahead and take all that out. All right, now this is going to sound kind of weird, but I want you guys to add imperfections and small little errors to your text because that is going to help you out significantly. The teacher is going to know that you actually did write it. It's going to be much more believable even though you use ChatGPT. So look over here. Look at this paragraph. You will notice that it is going to have like this hyphen over here, and that's like really advanced grammar. So do not include that. So go ahead and just take that out and maybe have like a long running sentence every now and then because it is going to help out your essay, and it's basically going to make the ChatGPT text look more believable and undetectable. There's also certain phrases that just make it obvious that you use ChatGPT. So phrases like in the digital age, unprecedented potential, or game changer is typically not a good sign, and you want to go ahead and just get rid of those. Also, this should be pretty obvious, but you want to go ahead and just add like your personal touch. So maybe you have like a certain experience, you want to go ahead and add it to your ChatGPT essay because that is going to make it significantly better. So I am in university and I've been using this method for dozens and dozens of assignments, and I've never gotten caught or anything like that because I do all of these methods over here. So please guys, make sure to work smarter, not harder. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.